How about GitLab, Pete? Not such a good day. It's a little bit off the pre-market lows, maybe a lot off the pre-market lows. I think it was around 58 bucks. It's back over 60 now. And the low on the trading session for the regular session was 59-ish earlier on, but that's a big drop. It's still down 18%, weaker than expected guidance. And anybody who was listening to that call would not be very enthused, Pete, about what GitLab, this DevOps software company, anticipates happening in the next few months. It is just not giving you much visibility into why things should get better.
Yeah, the earnings itself for the quarter were not so bad. But when you look at the guidance, and we talk about it all the time, John, I mean, we all want to know those numbers, but it's twofold. And unfortunately for a lot of these companies, the second fold is the one everybody focuses on. They all want to know, well, okay, that's great. Now what? And unfortunately for GitLabs, they weren't able to give people the answers that that they wanted. And so the sellers just came in. It's gotten to be pretty brutal. I think, John, at some point, though, this thing could start to maybe make some kind of a turn, but I'm not going to be the first to jump in. It's got to prove it now, because certainly they didn't, as you said, they didn't give people a lot of reasons to say, you know what, I love this thing, and I'm in that camp. But if they can make any kind of a turn in the next quarter or so, I think this is a name we'd want to look at again, because it was flying high. It could again, but right now they're stumbling pretty bad.
Yeah, I mean, I looked at a 52-week chart, Pete, and May of last year, it was 26 bucks.
Yeah.
So it's more than double that right now. And that's what gives me pause, Pete, because like you said, yeah, it shot up to almost 80 from 26. That's a fabulous run. But now people aren't really as focused on that. They're focused on, hey, you're not making money still. And that's one of the, pillars of what Pete always talks about. You got to make money when you've been around for a while. Sooner or later, you got to start putting up numbers in the black instead of the red. And they're still projecting that they're going to lose 4 or 5 cents next quarter, Pete.
Mm-hmm.